Hi, I'm so excited for today's workout. We're going to be doing a Pilates cardio combo to get our heart rate up. Let's get started on your hands and knees. So spread your fingertips out wide, knees underneath your hips, and just round your spine. And then when you're ready, arch. We're just going to do 2 of these as a quick little kind of warm up, telling your body that something fun is coming. Right, so go halfway in between those 2, and I want you to tuck your toes underneath and just take it up and back into this little short down dog position and walk it out. So we're going to start to get the blood flowing. Nice long inhales, nice long exhales. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what I want you to do is press both heels down and walk your hands towards your feet. Okay, take an inhale here. Exhale, walk your hands out, and this time we're going all the way to a plank. So feel nice and long here, reaching through the crown of your head, really up tall on your toes. Knees are straight. Then we're going to take it up and back, down dog again. Walk your hands back, and I want 3 walks. So what that is 1, 2, 3. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3. Take it up and back. Same thing, one more time. So walk it back with your hands. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3. Knees down. We are going to do push-ups. So you can bring your feet up, elbows, then lift. So you bend your elbows out to the side. So we're doing traditional push-ups, not Pilates push-ups here. Pilates push-ups would bring your elbows into your sides. We're just doing traditional with 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Toes down, curl, find your plank, take it up and back. Okay, we're going to do one more set of push-ups. You can go back to your knees or you can do them up on your toes. I told you we're getting your heart rate going here today. So forward. So again, either stay up on your toes or down on your knees. Either is a perfect version. We're going for 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up and back again and walk it out. So you're really lifting up high on your toes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Both heels down and just let everything hang. Head nice and heavy. And let's bring the knees down. Take it back, quick child's pose. And we're going to come right back up to find ourselves on all fours again. Take the left leg back, straighten it out, point the toes, lift, lower. So in Pilates, at least, to make it have that cardio aspect and get the heart rate up, it doesn't necessarily mean we do repetitions really fast. You'll see it's more that we're flowing straight from one thing to another. And we're doing full body work. So arms are working and legs are working and core is working all at once. 3, 2, 1. Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it in. Other side. Lift, lower. So my toes are pointed. I'm not letting my hip rotate or myself lean side to side. And again, this is controlled. I'm not just bouncing it around because I'm going faster between movements. I'm still controlling it. Lift it and hold it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. So your option is to do that same thing again or progress it with me. I'm going to curl my toes underneath, float my knees. So my knees are hovering. Now my left leg back, toes pointed, lift, lower. So we've added this fun challenge here, keeping that knee floating. 4, 3, 2, 1, and pulse. 8, you got it. 7, 6, stay strong in your arms. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down straight to the other side. So I'm trying to keep my left knee just hovering. I know when I get tired, that left knee actually starts to come up. So I'm trying to keep it just hovering. 2, 1, and pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Lift up one more time. Nice job. Knees down. Sit back. Re-stack. And we're going to sit up here. So we're nice and tall on our knees. If it bothers your knees at all, get a towel and roll your mat up. I have my knees hip distance apart, and I'm going to bring my arms out in front of me. Stay super tall. That's the key. What we're going to do is lean back and come straight back up. But I want, again, that total straight line. So I'm keeping a straight line from my knees, up my thighs, up my chest, out through the crown of my head. Okay, inhale, exhale. 2 more. Last one, stay here. Left hand down, tap the left heel. Bring it forward, right, and forward. If you can go back farther, go ahead. This is for sure my limit. So I'm just giving a rotation to tap, working the thighs, 1 more each side. Nice job. Come back up, sit back down, and swing the legs around in front of you. Okay, let's bring the legs together. Sit up nice and tall, arms in front again. Inhale, exhale, curl your tailbone, roll yourself down. We're coming all the way down, arms reach back. Exhale, we're gonna come back up. My heels crept up on that one. I need to focus more. Reset. I must be working. So curl tailbone. You're trying to get 1 vertebrae at a time. Remember, if it's really hard for you to come back up, get a towel roll and place it across your low back here. And that'll help a lot when you come back up. Restack. On this one, roll back halfway. Stay here. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. So I'm gluing my legs together, pressing my heels down, keeping my belly scooped out. 2, 1, arms up, stay here, dive up over your legs, restack. Take it down halfway again, and now arms out to the side and then together. Feel like you're hugging a big tree in front of you, so your fingertips come together like you're gathering up all this energy, all your breath. Last 2. 1, inhale, exhale, up, over, restack. 1 more, inhale, exhale, curl, roll down halfway. We're going to combine them, arms up and down, arms out and in. Challenge yourself. See if you can roll down a little farther and hold it. 1 more each way. Open, close. Inhale, pause. Exhale, up, 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 over. Restack. Arms come down. Nice job. Arms come back up. Inhale. Exhale, curl. Roll yourself down. Okay, listen to my cues. We're going to come down just to your shoulder blades. When you get there, right knee pulls in, left leg floats. Are you ready? Single leg stretch. So I'm pulling one knee in as I reach the other leg out. Out. And I'm trying to keep that chest lift the whole time. Squeeze, squeeze, reach, reach. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Stay here. Hands behind your head. Twist towards that knee. Everything to center. Other side, center. So I'm really twisting towards the leg that's pulled in as I reach the other one out. Nice job. You got it. One more each side. Remember, we're trying to get the heart rate up. Center. Both knees pull in. Are you ready? Double leg stretch. We're going to reach legs and arms out. And pull it in. And reach. And pull it in. And in. Last 2. 1. Roll down. Nice job. If you find yourself off your mat because you got so excited like I did, bring yourself back. Knees are bent, feet are flat, hip distance apart. Inhale. Exhale, curl your tailbone. Roll yourself up. Inhale at the top. Exhale. Rolling back down. So this is one of those times during a workout I refer to as a reset. It's my chance to catch my breath. I'm still moving, but it's kind of a familiar place. My system calms down for a moment. Things can relax even though they are still working. It's like it's a familiar place. Okay, on this one, you know what's coming, probably roll up. Stay here. So you're going to lower, keeping a flat back now. Lower halfway, press up. Lower, press. Trying to press with both heels evenly. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Left leg lifts to tabletop. Then it straightens up. Point the toes and do the same thing. Lower halfway, lift. Lower, lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hips stay level. Bring the left leg down. And then right leg reaches. And here we go. Halfway, lift. 3, 2, 1. Right leg comes down. Stay here, little pulses. Down, up, 8, 7, 6, 5. You got it. 4, 3, neck relaxed. 1, inhale. Exhale, curl. Curl, 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 curl. Roll back down. Nice job. Hug your knees in. Straighten the legs up. Hands behind your head. Roll yourself up. Elbows reaching wide. You can always do this staying flat without the chest lift, okay? We're going to turn out into a 45 degrees Pilates V here. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. So I'm trying to keep my chest lift as I lower my legs and lift. 4, 3, you got it. 2, 1. Nice job. Stay here. Bring the arms up. Open the legs. Close. Open. Close. 6, 5. Maybe reaching higher. 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here. Crisscross the feet. Cross. Cross. So you'll see them alternating. 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees in. Roll down, and my abs are feeling that reach. The arms back. Legs reach out long. Inhale, exhale. Arms come up. Tuck your chin. Up and over. Restack. Leave the legs together. Bring the hands behind the head. Inhale, turn. Center. Turn. Center. Last 2. Arms come up, inhale. Exhale, reach forward, forward fold. Deep breath. Restack. Great job.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.